This set makes me feel like Brunette Malibu Barbie and I am obsessed. I have been waiting for this package to arrive all week. I can't even begin to explain how excited I am. I'm definitely going through like a pink stage at the moment. I've never really been like a girly girl, but pink is just speaking to me right now. First off, I got a new bikini. It's this beautiful pink floral print. The matching top to go with it. What makes it even better is that it comes with the matching little mini skirt sarong. Okay, so this is the cozy. Actually obsessed with this already. The cover up is so cute. Oh my god. This is stunning. So this set is from a brand called Arnhem clothing and they do all these beautiful cozies and cover ups, and it was honestly so hard for me to pick my favorite because I loved everything on the website. So I would highly recommend checking them out and supporting an Australian business.